Hey guys, it's some more Shea back with another video. Man, oh man, Queen's alleged cousin Carlos is back at it again. And this time he is stating that Queen has been messing with Chris Sales on the low. He's also being a little petty, saying that Queen used to be Ratchet and has had bad hygiene when he used to be staying with her. Some more wild accusations. He's saying that Queen is not Arabic and that her dad is not Arab, but she used to have a friend who was Arabic and she wanted to be like her so bad that she would wrap a towel on her head and pretend she was Arabic. Okay. Wow. And then he also goes on to say that her dad is actually still alive and she is just stating all of this for her image. Okay. Also, he's saying things that we already know. We know that Queen had surgery because we all know that Queen has been open about that, so that's nothing new. But he is becoming very petty right now and just going in on her basically about things that he claims she's done to her body and operations that she had done and that her skin tone is not the same. I don't know. But without further ado, I will go ahead and play the video. You guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.
Yo, I ain't gonna front though. Let's be real. Queen. Let's be real. Queen. Fucking with that. I be fucking with my nigga, Chris. Huh? On the low. Y'all heard him? The Shade Room tell it all. Shade Room tell it all. The Shade Room tell it all. Y'all fucking with me? Let me get some thumbs up and hearts. Y'all wanna hear some shit? Y'all wanna hear some shit about Queen growing up? Right. Growing up, thank you with the hearts, thank you. Clarence ass gonna kill it. I mean, eventually, if you stay with someone for so long who's beating on you, come on now. It's nothing but anger. Man, look, man may be a pretty, people may call him a pretty nigga or a pretty boy. Now you gotta understand with that nigga, he ain't come from the ghetto. He can say he did all he want, but at the same time, he beating on a woman, y'all. Beating on a woman because of his past life and how he grew up, because he can't produce so many fans, how much he can't get all this money, so he take it out on her because she ain't about to just hand it over to you, nigga. Earn your stripes. You feel me, pussy nigga? Earn your stripes. Yeah, Queen said that, but I'm not gonna get on that right now. I'm not answering them kind of questions right now. That shit deep, you feel me? If you follow my YouTube channel, just like and subscribe, then I'll tell you some shit, but go like, comment, and subscribe on my shit. If you don't, I'm sorry, you just don't. It's 1,000,001 people in the world. You better not forget about the ones who were with you since day one on this whole situation. Whenever you blow up, you already know. Same ones behind me, same ones come with me. Real nigga shit. I'm building my squad, building a team. You already know, man. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
You feel me?
Come
on, man. I ain't gonna forget. Hey. You know what I'm saying? Growing up with Queen in her household, bro, she used to act real ratchet, y'all. Like ratchet. Queen used to act ratchet, bro. And her hygiene game, bro, I'm trying to tell you, her hygiene game dirty, bro. Like, no lie. Anyone who sit on the toilet and you're a woman, no disrespect to any woman, if you ever sat on the toilet and you left a black mark in front of the toilet, You are a dirty ass woman. Wash that motherfucker. How a nigga eat your pussy, or how a dude go down on you and you dirty like that? His mouth dirty.
That's very dirty.
Square. Imagine, bro.
I can't.
Nah, niggas can leave rings.
I said I can't. Shit,
Niggas can leave rings, but a woman?
I'm clean.
A woman,
Even
dog.
if I went a couple days without a shower or some shit, I don't give a fuck. I still be smelling like a saucer.
Feel me?
Okay.
How you doing? Drew him up. Ass boy.
No, sir.
Yeah, nigga.
No, sir.
Damn, every time I hit every time, bro, I hit a square out of this.
This one, I want to
Yeah.
step like.
Get somebody to square out of this. I always get motherfucking hit this. Always for some reason. They say that's not good if you do.
Okay then, that's what I'm talking about. You said Queen looks so different. How?
Yeah, she looked different because Queen was darker than what she is now. Like, she literally is. Her hair is not the same. She had, some operations done. And just to be truthful with you, she had some operations to be done. I'm not trying to bash on her, but it's the truth. She does not look the same. Her skin tone's not the same. And growing up, she was a little darker. You know what I mean? She's lighter now. I mean, she wasn't like dark, you feel me? She was just lighter. My family didn't accept me because I was dark now. You guys see Reba, she's dark now. Yeah, if you guys ever seen her dad, you'll see how light he is, you know what I'm saying? This and that. But Queen is different. She had a couple operations done. Anything else? Shit. Even her skin tone. Got some tattoos in certain spots. Real shit. Like, in Queen's darker spots on her body, it's literally tattooed. She had to wait 4 years to even come out until the transformation was done. Yeah, everyone knows that surgery, but not everyone because she asked me, fool. Duh. She looks nearly white now, exactly. No, she's not Arabic. No, not at all. Queen is not Arabic. I don't know why she says that. Because she tries her facial figures, her nose, and you know what I mean? She used to, when she was a kid, literally walked around with an Arabic friend of hers. Her friend was Arabic. She wanted to be so much like it. All she would do was wrap towels around her face and walk around the house talking about, I don't want to be Arabic, I'm Arabic. Everybody say I'm Arabic. Now, you can't get that image. She's trying to have that image, but she's really not. She has an Arabic tattoo. Now, that's because of what she believed. Eyebrows, her hair, that's right. All that shit fake, though. Her hair fake. Nigga, her eyebrows. Come on now. Her dad is not Arabic. Why do you say that? Her dad is not Arabic, y'all. Her dad is still alive. It was all for her image. Everyone's asking, your dad, based on your life, she wanted her life. She didn't want to put out there certain things. Wait, what? No, I thought her dad. It's all for the image, y'all. What's that one say? What's that one say?
You dropped the YouTube saying
She dropped the YouTube saying she was Arabic. Yeah, she dropped the YouTube saying she was Arabic. Just like Tina said, what did Tina say? Oh, they paid me $500 to drop a YouTube channel because of her subscribers. No, you guys needed money because Queen was not giving you money. You needed a way home. So you did what you had to do, in which you canceled your show for $500. You took money from your fans. That is exactly what she did. She's black and Italian. She's African American and Italian. Even her mom, yeah, even her mom said it because that's her damn daughter to have her back. Her mom didn't want to look like a thotty thot. A thot thot. Come on now. Just like her damn daughter back in the day. Thoughts, man. Come on now. Y'all don't make sense. Right, and then Chris confirmed that I am her cousin. Come on now. Yeah. Fucking my views going on. Alright, I'll shut up. My fault. I'm done. I'll shut up talking about her. Shut up. Straight up, bro. It's all rigged. You feel me? She can't say, hey, get on. I can't get in. Hey, y'all, I can't get in my inbox right now because if I get on my inbox, it's gonna kick y'all off. Okay. The crazy. Yeah, I'm the crazy cousin, yeah. I'm the crazy cousin. Yeah, I don't know everything, but I lived with her my whole entire life, bro. What is you saying? Someone in the same household.
We know you're her cousin,
Dude,
but you're
true.
saying a lot of stuff without proof.
Yeah, I don't need it. I don't need the
That
proof.
don't even make sense, stupid.
I don't need proof. I'm good. Doesn't make sense. I am the proof. What the fuck?
Dumbass.
You, bro.
What that nigga started bay? Dumbass.
Yeah. You heard my nigga. That nigga started baby say, dumbass.
Be back out.
Yes. 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 My family is based on money, and Queen was not giving her no money. No money at all. Say what? When? Right now? Oh, I'm like, hold on, what we doing? Go to stuff? Y'all want to walk to the hood with me? Y'all can't walk to the hood with me. I know most about her. What are you saying? Oh, you want to go to stuff? Look at this, y'all. That's how bad this shit is. Show y'all niggas how bad it is out there. Yeah, I don't know everything, but I do know a lot. I'm doing okay. About to walk to the store and shit. Get struck. Snow coming. I could probably make a snowball in my hand with just having it out the window, yo. They want to go to the store, bro. But I gotta. If y'all want to go to the store, I gotta get on my other phone because I'm not ruining this one. My other one, I don't give a fuck about. So if I get off, y'all gonna get back on? No. No. So if I get back in, so if I get off, y'all gonna get back on? This nigga really be taking me serious though. No. Cover my head before I get sick. I don't want to wear a hat. It's gonna mess my hair up though, and my hair is wet. In order to do fam like this, yeah, you wasn't put in a predicament, so you wouldn't really care about how someone else is.
Why is it shaped like this?
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you.
Huh? I do look like.
This is supposed to for the neck, number one. It's a word. It's the up north. For ice fishing and all that.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Nah, no neck Evans. It's not that. I don't care. So if you don't care, may I ask why are you on my live? Because I'm very tempted to go live with you. Like,
Yeah, you feel me?
I don't even understand.
You said I'm very tempted.
Damn, I need to left that hat here.
Who that?
My bacon. Should I wear ski mask over the face? Or just, you know, the regular little skelly? You know, nothing big. You know. I believe there's some truth about things, but I don't know. I need some proof.
I'll take that ass to the store.
So
Yeah.
do you? Okay.
You get that one.
Hold on.
Back.
I want to lie. Why you want to go live? What's your motive? I'm gonna go live one time. What is that, bro?
I don't know. Oh, why you dry my hands off?
What is it?
Jumper.
Well, if I don't, oh well. But you won't find out nothing. I'm trying to tell you. She does, bro. I'm trying to tell you. It ain't no cat. I don't
gonna do the work job.
want to wear a hat, y'all. Hey, if I walk to the store with y'all gonna give me some hearts. Y'all wanna walk to the store with me or not?
Yeah, because y'all don't get to see that shit. That's their thought.
No, I gotta get off this one. I'm trying to tell you, I gotta get off this phone. I will get off this phone. I will jump right back on though. I'm just not taking this one to the store. I don't plan on gaining anything. I just want my respect. I want my recognition that I deserve.
Don't worry about it, motherfucker. Get whatever you want. Can I say that? Can I cuss? They don't like you. They don't like you. Do whatever you want. Mind your business. That's how it's done.
Huh? What?
I say do whatever you want. Mind your business.
She's not out of my going after nothing. Alright, I'm getting off, getting right back on. Alright.